When stress or a trauma response takes over, it can feel like you're being pulled out of your own body. Your heart pounds, your breath shortens, and suddenly you're not fully here. Your mind races between the past and the present, trying to make sense of the moment. But there's a way to steady yourself, to come back. Grounding techniques can anchor you, reconnecting you to the present. Do you find yourself questioning if your relationship is abusive? Take our Am I in an Abusive Relationship quiz and take the first step toward understanding your situation. When you've lived through distressing experiences, your body can react as if the danger is still happening, even when you're safe. Your nervous system doesn't always know the difference. That's why grounding is so powerful. It helps bridge the gap between the past and the present, between fear and reality, using physical objects and sensations. You can remind yourself, I am here, I am safe, I am in control, and here are ways to do it. Put your hands in water. Run them under a faucet or dip them into a bowl. Focus on the water's temperature and how it feels on your fingertips, palms, and the backs of your hands. Does it feel the same in each part of your hand? Use warm water first, then cold, then try cold water first, then warm. Pay attention to the sensation of changing from cold to warm water and from warm to cold. Pick up or touch objects around you. Focus on how they feel. Are they rough or smooth? Heavy or light? Warm or cool? Push yourself to describe colors in detail. Crimson instead of red. Indigo instead of blue. Let the details pull you back to now. Savor a food or drink. Take a slow sip of tea or coffee. Let a piece of chocolate melt on your tongue. Pay attention to the taste, texture, and the way it lingers. Hold a piece of ice. Feel the sharp cold against your fingers. What does it feel like at first? How does it change as it starts to melt? Does the sensation shift when you move it across your skin? Stay with it, focusing on what you feel. Savor a scent. Breathe in something familiar. This might be a cup of tea, an herb or spice, a favorite soap, or a scented candle. Try to pick out different notes. Is it sweet, citrusy, floral? Let the scent remind you that you are here in this moment. Feel your body. You can do this sitting or standing. Focus on how your body feels from head to toe, noticing each part. Close your eyes and tune in. Can you feel your hair on your shoulders or forehead? Glasses on your ears or nose? The weight of your shirt on your shoulders? Do your arms feel loose or stiff at your sides? Can you feel your heartbeat? Is it rapid or steady? Does your stomach feel full or are you hungry? Are your legs crossed or are your feet resting on the floor? Is your back straight? Curl your fingers and wiggle your toes. Are you barefoot or in shoes? How does the floor feel against your feet? I encourage you to practice these techniques regularly. And the next time you feel yourself slipping, try one of these techniques. You are here, you are safe, and you are in control. Thank you for watching. Download our free resources, which will help you understand the patterns of abuse, spot the warning signs, and take your first steps toward reclaiming your strength and autonomy. Please raise awareness by sharing with others. You can also like or subscribe if it is safe to do so. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out related videos. See you in the next video.